Do you struggle with the state of your child's bedroom? Is it causing you all kinds of stress? Well, you're in luck because today we are going to talk about how to organize your child's bedroom here on Get Organized with Jodi. Hi, I'm Jodi Granock. I'm a certified professional organizer with over 15 years in the field, and I have worked with lots of clients and lots of kids to help organize their bedrooms. How often have you fought with your child over the condition of their room? Are you ready for a change? Now that your child has settled into a new school year, it's time to work on organizing their bedroom. Make this a rainy day or cold weather day project that you can do together with your child. It might take more than one day, but you will see positive changes right away. So the first step is to take everything out and group like items together. Look at all the types of items that you have and start grouping like-minded items together. Examples of like-minded groups in a child's room could be books, schoolwork, arts and crafts, toys, and clothes. Step 2 is to review these items and make decisions. Instead of focusing on what your child needs to get rid of, talk to them about the things that they like the best and use the most. Have a conversation about how your child's outgrown, unused, or duplicate items can help other children who are less fortunate. Suggested places to donate items are hospitals, daycare centers, schools, homeless shelters, and houses of worship. Check with your child's school and with your house of worship, because oftentimes they will partner with a daycare center or school that has less opportunities than the one that you go to. Set limits on collections of items. For example, if your child has 40 stuffed animals, pare it down to a favorite 10 to 15 and donate the rest. Teach your child that as they acquire a new item, it's time to think about donating an older item. Step 3, create specific activity areas. So store items based on usage. So the things you use the most would be on the lower shelves, and the things that are collectibles or rarely used items can go on higher shelves. Make sure that your child can reach the frequently used items so they can maintain their organization without your help. Be creative when you're creating these storage areas. You can hang stuffed animals from a hammock. You can string up artwork on a clothesline. You could store shoes or certain kinds of toys in a plastic shoe bag hung on the back of a closet door. Step 4, move items to appropriate containers. So if I can impart only one lesson from this video, it's this: no more toy boxes. That thing you see there on the left, those toy boxes are only functional if they're storing a specific type of item like balls or stuffed animals. Otherwise, they become a dumping ground for broken, lost, and damaged items, not to mention that they're not always the safest way to store something in a child's room. I have plenty of memories of having a lid close on my finger or my hand. Perhaps you do too. The key to good organization is that everything needs a home, which means you have a designated specific place for specific items. And so to accomplish this, you can use bins, boxes, shelves, drawers, rolling carts, whatever you want. The important thing is that you're keeping like items together, and then you label that container to make sure that items find their way home after being used. Now you can use words to label these containers for older children, or you can use photographs or pictures for younger children who aren't reading yet, or a combination of both. Step 5 is maintenance. When your child's room is organized, maintenance only takes 5 or 10 minutes each day because everything has a home and your child knows where those homes are. Plan on reviewing your child's items twice a year, either during winter and summer vacation or before birthdays and winter holidays, because those are the 2 times that your child is most likely to acquire a lot of new items. Remember that each designated home has a size limit, so every time your child acquires new items, they should be willing to let the same number of older items go. Organizing your child's room gives both of you a new respect for personal items. It increases self-esteem and pride, and it gives you more free time and quality time together and less family stress. I look forward to hearing about your success stories with organizing your child's bedroom. In the meantime, I encourage you to visit organizingmagic.com for more organizing resources, including our free e-newsletter and information about our monthly Zoom webinars, which are also free. And remember that new videos drop every Friday, so be in the know and click like and subscribe before you go, so you never miss a single video. I'll see you next time.